Happy Easter, everybody. So we did another grocery store trip today, so let me go through this stuff, show you guys what we picked up. Of course I didn't go, my husband went, and I just cleaned everything off, so I'm getting ready to put it up. So y'all know that I love these chopped salad kits. The Asian salad kit is my favorite. It has the lettuce blend, almonds, wonton strips with sesame ginger dressing. It's so good. I remember going to Sweet Tomatoes and they had like a salad like this with like shredded chicken. So bomb. So that's why I love this salad, because my favorite salad was the one from Sweet Tomatoes. So love that. Then I got the chopped salad kit. This is my second favorite. This is the kale, pecan, cranberry, and this one has chopped kale, vegetable blend, dried cranberries, pecans, croutons with Dijon mustard dressing. Delicious. And then I got some croutons. This is the garlic and butter seasoned croutons. Really good. And then I just got the regular seasoned croutons. I got two, pull this up. I got 2 things of the spring mix. This is the baby lettuce with baby greens. Picked up some of this grapefruit. This is the red grapefruit with no sugar added. My favorite, 100% pomegranate juice. This stuff is so good. It's expensive though, but it's good. I think for this bottle it's like $8. What else we have? Picked up 4 tomatoes. I've already cleaned those. He picked up a Sprite. Then he went to the Dollar Tree and picked up some sandwich bags. And then this is what we use when we separate the chicken, when it has like this. When we buy these big ones, the family packs, I'll just split them up, probably like 6 in a pack, so I don't have to thaw out the entire pack of chicken. And then some sanitizer and some Mumbas. I know he picked these up from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, that is all he picked up from the store. So happy Sunday. All right, y'all, so just got out of the shower, so I'm getting ready to fix myself a salad. I need to try to get rid of this little mark right here. It's so annoying. Y'all remember I told y'all I was watching Walking Dead and I was taking something from off of the stand. The stand came down and pinched my skin at the exact time that somebody was getting bit by a zombie, and it was just so, I was so dramatic. I started screaming at everything. It was the worst. So look at it, it's so ugly. I need to try to put some cocoa butter on it, but let me go fix me a salad. So it's 3:30 and I wanted to make some Brussels sprouts. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you remember my old co-worker, she had made some Brussels sprouts with like this creamy sauce. It was so good. It was a while ago. I've only been eating Brussels sprouts for probably like 2 years maybe. So I'm gonna try to create a new recipe. I'm just gonna wing it. So I have some, where's that bag?
You got a light on it.
Here's the bag of Brussels sprouts. I've been trying to eat clean today because Tony is making us some wings. Why is this line right here in my head? I don't know, but we ain't worry about it. Tony's making some wings. So I've been trying to eat clean all day, but gotta make these Brussels sprouts. I think I'm gonna use some, my husband just turned on the light for me. I'm gonna use some onion, minced garlic, probably some garlic powder. Oh, what else? I don't know if y'all have some good recipes for Brussels sprouts, leave it in the comments for me. But I'm gonna use some of this complete seasoning, and I'll probably squeeze some lemon juice on it. We'll see. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Smart Balance butter. This is my first time making it like this too, y'all. But I'm sure it's going to taste pretty good. I'm going to add, oh gosh, some of this complete seasoning. Give it a little bit of flavor. I'll probably add some lemon pepper too. Lemon pepper. Minced garlic. Squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. good. I'm fine. You don't want some of these Brussels sprouts? Okay, so I'm gonna cook the whole bag. Let me wash it. Let's see. I'll taste a few. Ah. We're gonna add in the onions. And I'm gonna squeeze a little bit more lemon. I'll get these seeds out of here. Ow. Add a little bit more minced garlic. I add a little bit more minced garlic. It smells so good. So we're gonna try some on camera for y'all. Can you taste the lemon? It's good, y'all.
It's hot. Not spicy, but hot.
Like baby cabbage.
Yeah.
Delicious. Baby in the kitchen.
Okay.
Okay.
I ain't playing.
Okay.
You see me. I ain't playing.
What you got over here? What is this?
Garlic butter. I'm gonna toss it in. Then when I'm done, I'm gonna put a little garlic parmesan cheese in it.
This one right here.
It's easy. It's easy. Can't beat me. Can't beat me. Get out the pot now. You doing this on you now. I'm gonna let you know.
Whatever. Oh, shit. We're gonna do some vodka shots today, y'all. Some Tito's. is mine. Huh? You want tequila first? We'll do a tequila shot later. Cheers to love.
Love.
Woo! Garlic Parmesan wings, y'all. Oh, that look good. Go, boo, I'm so proud of you. Give me a kiss. You did your thing. Oh, that looks so yummy.
Yeah, garlic Parmesan wings.